What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by Elena Polkanova, so go ahead and check Elena on the Instagram. She has some awesome paracord project as well there. The full tutorial for this bracelet 4-strand core you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelet as many other useful paracord tutorials. So that being said, I'm gonna just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and then with the feed I'm gonna insert the core strand or the blue paracord into the core strands from the top on the left side and again from the top on the right side and through. Now I'm gonna detach it from the feed and then we're gonna pull it, take the ends and we're gonna pull it to get even the left and right blue strand. So like this. Now we have the equivalent of this left and the right blue paracord to work with. Now we're gonna take the black and the green and we're gonna make it under those three bracelet core strands, and then we're gonna insert the blue and the green from the back into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, as you can see. And now we're gonna pull it through the loop on the right, so here. Now we're gonna take the blue and we're gonna make it on top and through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, around, and from here we're gonna insert it from the back side into the gap between first core strand and the blue, and we're gonna pull it. And now from here we're gonna make it to the back, around, and from the back through the loop again. So like this. As you can see, this is the first weave of today's project and we're gonna proceed with the left side. Now on the left, take the left cord, make it under those three inner cords and then around and from the top through the loop on the left and pull it. Now take the left blue and make it on top, through, and then from the back through the gap between blue and the green, like so. And now around and from the back through the loop here. So here we are, we reach almost the end of today's project. Now I'm gonna show you how to finish it. So as you can see, we done weave by weave until the end, and now here we're gonna take the feed and we're gonna insert the green and the black. Again, the same pattern from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left. And pay attention here, the blue is down and to the bottom side of the bracelet, and then we're gonna pull the green to the side. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, firm, and as you can see, we have a clear bracelet pattern with this green shadowing the blue and the two cords heading downwards, so when we cut it and melt it, they won't be seen from the bracelet top. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And that being said, I wish you, as always, just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.